happy Easter, guys. Okay, yeah, so you can stand there while I visit.
I'm on the Isle of Wight.
Happy Easter. We're going to Isle of Wight. So you can see my angel is dancing. She's gonna have some cruise in Isle of Wight. Follow us as we go. Very cool. Follow us.
Down is first.
Gently. You're right. Follow us, guys. Happy Easter. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Okay, yes, sure. Follow us. Huh? I'm on video.
Let's go fast motion. So, as you can, and
Me?
yeah, you can go as fast as
Where you going? Run to where?
this.
But I haven't taken a picture.
Okay.
You can catch me in the gingerbread man.
Okay, now, Mummy. Go as fast as you go. Please.
Oh yeah, let me. Huh? Okay, did I say cut it off?
No.
So what do you want?
So, just take a picture like this.
KF show, guys. Like, subscribe, comment down
Let's
below.
go fast motion. Now, when I say fast motion, you're gonna run. Let's go fast motion.
So it's we run and we're running back upstairs because we haven't done what we want to do. Are we running back upstairs? Favor, are we coming back up here?
Rewind.
Remind me of where I'm going. wind is too much for my head, alright?
Have all the codes, mate. You can't be doing this shit. Technically.
Come with us. Oh. KEF show what? Like, subscribe, comment down below. Go to Kimberley OSAS video and just like happy Easter to you all. We are here to say happy Easter. Oh my God, the wind is blowing. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. La la la. She wants to wee. You want to wee? Okay. All right. Happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Okay. Follow us. Is it cut?
No.
Let's go back down. Should we look for it? I think this way.
No, it's this way.
Yeah, toilet. Follow us, guys. Happy Easter. We're just on a boat cruise. Favor. Who's going? Toilet, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Let's go with her. Do you know where it is? Come, I think I saw one that this way. Here. It's here. Can you go along? Okay, let's go. Make sure you do toilet on the boat, guys. Use that one. Go. Now, you finished. That was quick.
It's so cute.
That is me and my girl. My life partner. My life partner. Alright, partner.
Okay, can we go now?
Okay. Now.
Okay.
Oh, but first of all, let's go this way with you. Follow us, guys. We'll show you around the boat a bit. How the boat looks like.
But, Mummy, before picture time, can I do something on?
Yeah. Follow us. This is what we've got in here.
Thank you very much.
We got our food already. We're eating it. There's the food. That is finished. There was a lot there.
Thanks for watching Kyoto. Ending. Today's ending.
Okay. Happy Easter. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Okay, so bye.